Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Fashion Fridays, where we always have good food and good vibes. But Fashion Fridays about, you take your hand and you make a little fashion where food concern, that is. So on today's menu we have bacon and sausage wrap. I'm gonna pour out this batch, then I'm gonna fry the rest that was left over. Now back to cutting. done, we're going to construct our wrap. Guys, these are so good on the days when you just want a little something nice and you don't want to do no big cooking. Yeah. Okay, add some cheese. And since you did like just take this off of the stove, it really got warm, so therefore the cheese is going to melt, so it's gonna be fine. Add some mayonnaise. Some sweet chili, which is amazing on our wrap. Some lettuce. And add tomato if you want it, but this one is my own, so yeah, me no want that. Wrap up your wrap. And wrap him up tight too. And voila! Put some sweet chili dip on the side so you can add a little extra niceness. Guys, trust me, you know how much you would have paid for one little wrap, at one of them little fast food restaurant there. So yeah, when you can just so much for tuning into Fashion Fridays. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share no man, share. God bless you. I'm gonna full my belly. Thanks for watching.